Cujo. Had him for a while. How long have we had him?
A couple weeks.
Like couple weeks, maybe 10 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. And he's the cutest dog on earth. Say hi, Cujo. Hiya, buddy. I'm Cujo the baby. Okay, he'll run off. And as you see, I'm in my kitchen. We are right now making some, you know, the little soda streamers. Yeah, we got that for a low price. I don't know how much. You should go buy it. It's either at Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond. And how much are they? $200 maybe?
No.
How much?
$50.
$50. I'm gonna leave description down below for Bed Bath & Beyond. And so, yeah, this is about my new dog and what's been going on. And it's raining, and I got some exciting news. Pepper's Almost Point Intermediate School. You might wanna you might wanna read this if you can read it. It says, due to the possibility of
Bad weather.
Woods Intermediate will have 10 a.m. start time. Thursday, March 5th, 2019. And that's my dog. Cujo, stop! And I will see you guys all later.